Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports extended rock/mud guards. These guards fit the Polaris Pro XP, Pro R, and Turbo R, all models. Install time is about 15 to 25 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the 5mm bolts from the trailing suspension arm, and set them aside. Depending on your model, if there is a factory rock guard, remove that as well and set it aside. Next, grab the DRT extended rock guard/mud flap assembly, set it in place, lining up the mounting holes, and thread back in the factory hardware. This installation is being performed on factory arms off the vehicle, as we had no other options available at the time of this recording. This install can very easily be done on the vehicle. Now, tighten down the hardware, and your extended rock guard is secure. Then, repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. When you receive this product, the Pro R mounting bracket is pre-installed. This bracket has the 3 mounting holes. Also provided in the kit are the mounting brackets for your Pro XP. Just swap the brackets and you are good to install. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series extended rock guard installation. These billet aluminum extended rock guards/mud flaps add aggressive styling and better coverage to your vehicle. The rock guard is 20% larger than the OEM guards to provide more protection for your SXS. Embossed rubber flaps and CNC billet guard mounting greatly improve the OEM styling and performance by keeping rocks, sand, and dirt off your rear suspension. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.